आता first we are going to start with the football. We have invited the Dutch and we are going to train almost 30 coaches of the football which is going to be held on 5th of December. आणि अशे तरेचे इंटरनॅशनल कोचीस घेवन आमी आमच्या गोयचे कोचीसाक ट्रेन करून एक बरो प्रोडक्ट पॉलिश करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. कारण देर इज समथींग लॅकिंग इन द एज फार एज कोचिंग डिपार्टमेंट इज कन्सर्न. आणि नेक्स्ट टाइम सी बीइंग एज अ होस्ट वील बी डायरेक्टली हॅविंग द पार्टिसिपेशन. No, already myself and the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa has already announced that whatever the infrastructure which has been created by the government of Goa will be put under the utilization or will be given for the practice for the local clubs or the local people, provided there should be a MOU signed within the club or the village panchayat body who is going to maintain it properly. See, we cannot give and make it open for all, because we have put and invested public money in that, and that's why we have decided to sign an agreement along with whichever the clubs or the local bodies are interested in maintaining this.
बायना MPT ग्राउंड आसा तो सुंदर क्रिकेट ग्राउंड अशें त्या टायमार एसएजीन खंय तरी इच्छा व्यक्त केले की आमी जर MPTन तो ग्राउंड दिल्यार आमी मेंटेन करतले.
No, I think there is a land issue is problem. बट म्हाका दिसता म्हाका खबर ना, बट असोच तरेचो विशय असेंब्ली फ्लोराचेर आयिल्लो आशिल्लो. बट एज फार एज म्हाका जें उत्तर मेळिल्लें आसा ती लँड बिलोंग टू द MPT, बट आय विल जस्ट ट्राय टू फायंड आउट. म्हागे ऑल ऑफिसर्स आर वर्किंग ऑन दॅट वेदर दॅट लँड ओरिजिनली विथ द SAG ऑर
तांची फॅसिलिटी जी इनॉग्रेट जाला हांगा 4 स्क्वॉश कोर्ट इनॉग्रेट जाला आनी आतां तेंचे टोर्नामेंटूय चालू जातलो. ते थोडे दीस उपरांत जावपाचे आसले, पूण तेंचे टोर्नामेंटाक लागून आमी आज हेजें उद्घाटन केल्लें आसा. जशें तुमी म्हाज्या फुडल्यान पळयता ग्रावंडाचें इनॉग्रेशन जी घोशणा केली less than 2 months, actually it will take not more than 1.5 months. That also will be ready. Another squash court will be ready. आणि हो जो क्रिकेट ग्राउंड येयलो आसा हांव समजता इट इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ग्राउंड. इतले पयशे गव्हर्मेंटान मोडला एक बरी फॅसिलिटी आमच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक दिवपाक, आनी ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता गोवा इज वी आर गोइंग टू बी होस्ट टू द नॅशनल गेम्स एज वेल. This shows how much importance we are giving to sports, and with this sportsmen are going to have a golden opportunity to rise at higher and higher levels, and you will see many of our players competing, winning laurels for the state very very soon. Park, now it is little dark, I don't know if it will be useful, but still maybe I'll show the minister because there is enough lighting there. The plot opposite that Pomdat has already handed it over to us, wherein we are going to, I have planned to put a futsal ground, which as I had announced earlier, a futsal ground as well as a cricket ground. You can play both the games on that artificial turf. Nowadays that has become a big craze. They come evening and people want to play futsal, though they also play it during the daytime. In the same area, this area lacks a swimming pool. We have enough land there. So what the Honorable Minister has told me, I will give you the futsal ground as well as the swimming pool. This is a very welcome thing. Next, I think 2 years down the line, it will become a reality. So this entire area in Chikalim is going to become an excellent sports arena, wherein it is going to be a center for excellence in sports.
बायणा रवींद्र भवनातल्या सुविधा खंय बेगीनूच जाग्यार घालतले.
AC चालना
I think the tender has been already floated and already work has been quoted by the bidder. Within a short span of time, the work will be awarded and work will be going to be started in the.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.